In this video, I'll show you how to fix any keyboard delay or input lag when you're gaming. So there's a couple ways to fix this. The first method is to head over to your start menu and then just search for Device Manager, and then you need to click on the Device Manager window. From here, come down to Keyboards and expand this list, and then you need to right click on the HID keyboard device, select Update Driver, and then press Search Automatically for drivers. Now once you've done it to this first one, we need to do the same thing for the entire list here, just by right clicking and pressing Update Driver and then pressing Search Automatically for drivers. And I'm also going to do it for this last one as well, just by right clicking and pressing Update and then pressing Search Automatically. Now if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed next to each of these, then what we're going to do instead is come back over to this top one and right click and select Update Driver, and this time we're going to press Browse My Computer for drivers, select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then just select HID keyboard device and press Next. And as you can see, Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close out of this, and then you're going to do the same for these two down here as well. Now once you've done that, we're going to head over to the start menu on your computer, search for Control Panel, and then click on the Control Panel window. Make sure View By is set to large icons in this right hand side, and then we're going to click on Keyboard. Now in your keyboard settings, it should look something similar to what I have on my screen here. So repeat delay, that should be about 3/4 of the way across. Repeat rate, that needs to be all the way over to fast. And then cursor blink rate, again, you want that somewhere around 3/4. Now, if you already have all of these settings applied and it's still lagging, then what you can try doing is actually increasing the repeat delay over here. And you can also try increasing the cursor blink rate to fast as well. And then pressing apply and OK and checking to see if that's now solved your issue. Now, if it's still not working, you can obviously try plugging in and out your keyboard. Sometimes this also solves the issue. And you also want to ensure there's no background applications that could be conflicting with your keyboard. I know Norton Antivirus is one software that sometimes causes compatibility issues, so just make sure there's no background applications running on your computer that could be causing this issue. And hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now fixed any input lag. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.